Artificial intelligence is having an impact on the future of almost every business and every person in the world. Artificial intelligence has emerged as the driving force behind developing big data, robotics, and the Internet of Things. For the foreseeable future, artificial intelligence will continue to be a significant technical innovation in 2021. Existing and upcoming technologies will develop and adapt at an unprecedented rate in the coming decade. This progress will be motivated by the need to accelerate the digital shift. Furthermore, it will proactively prepare sectors to deal with future uncertainties which we do not always anticipate. So, are you eager to know which AI trends to keep an eye on in the months ahead? But before that, subscribe to ForceBolt's channel, like this video, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you never miss any update. Now, let's take a deep dive into 5 emerging trends in the world on artificial intelligence. The first trend in the list is robotization. When it comes to artificial intelligence, the vision of a host of programmed robots replacing employees on the manufacturing line has become the most common trend. Most businesses are experimenting with robots for a variety of reasons. Robots will soon be able to perform semi-skilled and skilled tasks, such as writing reports, filling out forms, delivering directions, and producing animations. As a result of robotics, complete automation will be achieved with machines trained to perform the essential work. Next comes computer vision. The volume of visual data has skyrocketed, ushering in a new era of computer vision powered by AI. The increasing complexity of artificial neural networks, along with the availability of AI-powered devices, has sparked a surge in interest in computer vision among businesses. Computer vision applications, which are expected to reach a market value of $28 billion, effectively monitor public environments using data sensors and cameras. These programs can successfully track social distancing in the post-COVID-19 world. Cybersecurity in the field of AI is the third trend that I would like to throw some light on. AI-based cybersecurity system can help you make important prioritizing decisions. These systems deliver the most up-to-date information about dangers to certain industries and the entire world. Threat selections are based on what could be utilized to protect your company. Prescriptive insights derived from AI analysis enable you to build and improve controls and process in order to maximize your organization's cyber resilience. Fourth comes predictive analytics. When combined with computer capacity, predictive analytics help organizations recognize new consumers or predicted responses using individualized data accumulated over time. AI systems gradually include the ability to recognize these crucial emotions and deliver insights, making prospecting for potential consumer much more effective. You might, for example, have access to sales data on thousands of clients and the various goods they have purchased. Last but not least, notable trends in the list is quantum computing. Quantum computing, a type of computing that takes advantage of quantum phenomena like superposition and quantum entanglement. Because of its ability to readily query, monitor, analyze, and act on data from any source, this fantastic technology trend is also involved in avoiding the spread of coronavirus and developing viable vaccines. In addition, quantum computing is being used in banking and finance, where it is being used to control credit risk, high-frequency trading, and fraud detection. Microsoft, AWS, Google, etc. are among some companies working on quantum computing advances. More enterprises will use artificial intelligence in the near future as organizations become increasingly reliant on AI technologies. In light of these developments, it is evident that AI is rapidly becoming a key function for all enterprises. I hope our informative video has given you some insights into the top 5 changing AI applications that may become a reality in the upcoming months. What are other AI trends that I didn't cover in this video that you think must be discussed? Please let us know what you think in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned with ForceBolt's YouTube channel for more such updates on mobile, web, and technological transformations. And don't forget to subscribe to us.